Hey guys, welcome back. So as we know with AirPlay, we can easily cast our iPhone screen on Mac and iMac devices. But how do we do it on a Windows PC? Let's find out. So in this video, I will share an easy method with which you can easily cast your iPhone screen on a Windows PC. Let's go. So open your browser and search for lonelyscreen.com. Now click on download and download the software. So once the file is downloaded, just double click on it and install it. Now make sure both your iPhones and your Windows PC is connected on the same Wi-Fi. Now open the Lonely Screen application. Now open Control Center on your iPhone and tap on the mirror icon. In the list of the available devices, there will be Lonely Screen or a name of your choice. Tap on it to start casting your screen. After that, the mirror icon will turn white. This means that your broadcast is running. From now on, everything that appears on the screen of your iOS device will also be displayed in the Lonely Screen windows on your computer, including the audio file. You can resize the window to make it a larger screen. To end the broadcast, simply close the Lonely Screen program by clicking on the gear icon and selecting Exit Lonely Screen. So with Lonely Screen, you can easily cast your iPhones on your Windows devices. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Do like, share and subscribe.